Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can clear cache in Realme. So with the introduction of the latest Android version, unfortunately you are not longer able to wipe the cache partition entirely from the recovery menu of your phone. That is due to some changes that they did for the cache partition in general. They reworked it and now it works a little in a slightly different way, but we will not dive into this theme any deeper in this video. So in order to clear cache on your system, you will need to clear an individual application cache if you think that some particular app caches too much and causes some issues, problems, or performance difficulties. So you can do that by basically launching settings, then going for about device category, then storage. In here, open the apps section, then find the app that you would like to remove or clear the cache off. So let's say I'll go with YouTube perhaps. And in here you'll find the clear data and clear cache buttons. So you can clear cache by going for the respective option. And if you clear data, as you can see, it basically uninstalls and removes all app data. So if you want, you can do that just as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.